How to predict a person's date of birth. With this technique, you can predict the date of birth of any number of people simultaneously. You can try this stunt with your family members, friends, relatives, colleagues, and even in parties. Steps. A. Ask the people to take the number of the month in which they were born. January is 1, February is 2, and so on. B. Next, ask them to double the number. C. Add 5 to it. D. Multiply it by 5. E. Put a 0 behind the answer. F. Add their date of birth. If they are born on 5th January, then add 5 after the steps are over. Ask them to tell you the final answer. Just by listening to their final answer, you can predict their date of birth. Secret. From the answer that you get from each member of the audience, mentally subtract 50 from the last 2 digits and you will have the date. Subtract 2 from the remaining digits and you will have the month. Thus, you will easily get his date of birth.